everyone, this is Sweetybelle here and welcome back to my channel, Life with Sweetybelle. So for today's video, I'm going to be playing more of a Western drama, and this is going to be the immaculate gameplay with no commentary and no mistakes. So here's the continuation of, I think, Chapter 2. So yeah, Chapter 2. So here we go.
So, this is where he keeps his precious medicines.
Wade! Yeah, and I've already managed to sell some of the goods you saved from those scumbags.
So that's why you were looking for us again.
I'm glad the owner of the saloon didn't forget to tell you. He's often a little distracted.
Got a new job?
So it seems, and it could be profitable. So I can pay you just as well.
You figured out how to get my attention.
Well, they've asked for my work at the Crooked Pass mining town.
That's a big place.
One of the most important in the county. And its hygiene conditions are questionable. That's why they need a doctor. The problem has to do with the size of the town. Since it's big and wealthy, it could attract some rival miners. These mining towns are like battlegrounds.
And you don't want to get yourself in the middle of it, risking your life.
But they've promised me a tasty sum of money. If you're there to protect me, I'll be able to get away with the money. And my life. And share a percentage with you.
Yeah, say no more.
Great. I need these medicines and tools. We'll take the wagon again.
Here's a wagon.
Careful with the wagon. The road continues here. Crooked Pass is this way. Don't get lost. Now turn. Follow me. Come this way. Careful with the wagon. Don't get lost. The road continues here.
The Crooked Pass must be full of gold if there are really as many people there as you say.
Certainly. Are you tempted to take advantage of it?
No, Doctor. I'd lose the thrill to hunt. And only a few people in this county try to earn an honest living.
That's just a lot of luck on your side. Yeah! Come this way. Follow me. Now turn. Follow me. Now turn. Crooked Pass is this way. Don't get lost. Careful with the wagon. The road continues here. Come this way. Yeah! Come this way. Follow me. Now turn. Crooked Pass is this way. Don't get lost. Careful with the wagon. The road continues here. Come this way. Yeah!
turn. The road continues here. Careful with the wagon.
A nice guy, that doctor.
He pays well anyway.
I'm just saying he seems like a good person. You know, he's considerate, and he knows his job. Pat told me he often doesn't ask patients he visits for money.
Luckily, that ain't one of our vices.
Well, perhaps this world needs more people who behave like him, too.
Perhaps, but that don't mean we'll give him a discount. Crooked path is this way. Come this way. Follow me. Don't get lost. The road continues here. Careful with the wagon. Now turn. Come this way. The road continues here. Follow me. Look over there. There's a woman screaming. Do we really have to stop, Doctor? Sounds like she's in trouble. We can afford to take a little break.
Thank you. Oh God, thank you. My husband, he's wounded and bleeding.
I'm a doctor, ma'am.
Where's the wounded man?
You're dead.
Watch out!
Shit! Back there! Doctor, you mustn't leave here. Okay. It's quiet now.
They wanted the wagon.
Hell, well, they certainly didn't want us alive. Let's not waste more time. We should get going. Now I understand why you wanted protection, Doctor. This place is hunting for certain bugs.
Some of the snakes around us have already showed up. Look, there's one running towards us.
Dr. Seal, you're here at last. We were attacked by a group of criminals. A massacre. We're already in bad shape. An ambush was the last thing we needed.
I'll take care of you now. First the wounded, then the sick. How are hygiene conditions in the town?
We manage. We ain't got enough coffins.
You'll have to accompany me. Now,
Oh, God!
Your friends are back.
Oh, God! They're bloodthirsty. Help me, please!
Do your job, Doctor. You gotta keep those coffins empty. Because we need them.
That was the last one, but my work here isn't finished yet. The situation seems to have calmed down again. I don't know how to thank you.
Money will do just fine.
By the way, Doctor, I know you're used to healing rather than killing, but you should buy a gun. You need to look after yourself if you want to keep on doing what you do. I reckon your patients would like that too.
That's kind of you, son. I promise I'll consider it. And I'll try to find a good one, like yours.
Yeah, well, the beautiful faces of the East say that we're violent here, immoral. Well, maybe they don't know White Post, where the law rests quietly behind a desk smoking tobacco.
Oh, maybe in the past. Like I said, since you two got here, all hell's broken loose in White Post. Whoa.
Huh, nice picture. Well, it comes from those who dress better than me and you.
That's right. When it's up to one of them, they can even make the fucking couriers work. That's the face of Orville Wallach. They're reporting that he has disappeared.
Wallach?
Yeah, our county marshal. An uncompromising man who firmly believes in justice.
Here it says he was on a mission around here.
Well, the neighboring towns receive the same news. They want us to go look for him.
It's a big reward.
Boy, if I wanted to make money, I would have opened a ranch. Anyway, when there's such big shots involved, well, let's say I value my skin.
Well, of course. The vendor of White Post got to stay alive to protect his good people. Am I right?
You said it.
I'll take the poster. Maybe someone in town will recognize him.
Yeah, well, don't expect a thank you.
Sheriff, the only thank you I'm owed is from your ass. That's the sheriff efficiency for you.
Help! Come on, sister. Don't move.
That's enough.
We want this bitch's money. Go fuck yourself.
I said let her go.
How about me and my friend drill a hole through your fucking head and take your money?
Then you'll die together, like good friends. Come on. Well, this must be yours, sister.
Thank you, thank you. They're offerings for the poor.
I wouldn't have asked you for something in return.
How can we go on like this? There are more savages than men on this side of the border.
Well, you were rescued by a savage then.
Oh, that's not what I meant. But there are few men like you. We need more Orville Wallachs to ensure justice.
Do you know the marshal, sister?
Not personally, but I know his assistant, Art Lynch. A good young man. I met him today, and he gave me this money as a donation from the marshal. Model Catholics and model men.
Where is Art now, sister?
Well, he spoke to me in private, and I can't, in the privacy of confession.
Well, sister, I don't know much about churches, Bibles, and all that stuff. But I've never seen a nun hear a confession. How about this? You tell me where you last saw him, and I'll forget about this conversation. You know, people around here seem rather prudish. I wouldn't want to tell them about a nun hearing a confession. in private.
Okay, okay. We messed last night at the saloon.
Right, now we're talking.
Come with me, and I'll point him out to you, so long as you promise me to let me go.
God's will be done.
Follow me. Move towards the piano. He's the man with the beard who is playing.
You play very well.
Thanks, friend.
You know, you'd be even better in a duet.
I like being alone, my friend. I don't like playing as a pair.
See, I was thinking of a rather special duo. I don't know, maybe you and Marshall Orville Wallach. I'm sure your boss wouldn't like to see you alone at the piano. Actually, I wonder why you're here playing without him. Don't try it. Give me the gun.
Okay, okay. But stay cool. Here.
Sure. Now tell me where the fuck... Shit, damn it! Stop! Stop! Fuck, he's getting away.
Your enemy is running away. Move in his same direction so that you do not lose him.
Leave me alone! What the fuck do you want from me? Leave me alone, you asshole! Go away! What the fuck do you want from me? Go away! Leave me alone! Leave me alone, you asshole! Nothing to do with me! Go away! What the fuck do you want from me? Leave me alone! Go away! Leave me alone, you asshole! What the fuck do you want from me? Go away! Leave me alone! What the fuck do you want from me? Go away! It's nothing to do with me! Leave me alone, you asshole! It's nothing to do with me! What the fuck do you want? Who are you?
Where is the marshal?
None of your business, you bastard!
I want to do it the hard way, huh? Okay.
Bastard! Asshole!
You asked for it.
Punch the enemy by using the swipes when he's about to hit you. Wait for the right moment. If you do it too soon, he might hit you back.
Enough! Please! Enough.
I won't hesitate to kill you if you don't talk.
If you wanted to, you could have. You've got a gun.
I don't shoot people in the back. Ever. Now answer me.
I fled because, well, I betrayed the marshal.
You're not telling me anything new. You work for the government. All the damn same. But you come from this side of the border. You can't help it. You're more like us than you think.
Not the marshal. Orville Wallach is the most honest man I know. And I betrayed him.
Well, what happened?
We were on a mission. Several women have vanished in this area. Whores. No one took any notice. Except people in the government. We got a tip-off, but it was getting too dangerous. So, I left Mr. Wallach and took some money from him. I've already given the money away, feeling guilty, but I didn't write to the big shots.
That's why they sent this poster to the sheriff.
Since they haven't heard from us, they will have involved the other sheriffs in the area. Men like Wallach serve the state.
Yeah, to keep up the image. Where was the marshal going before you left him?
Fort Black. It's an abandoned fort along the road to White Post. The locals are terrified of it.
Just cowardly. But superstitious, too. Government chooses its agents well. I pity you, but I won't say anything.
Thank you.
Don't thank me. I'm only doing it because you took money from someone in the government. They have enough already.
This is going to be the end of the video. Hope you all enjoy this, and be sure to give this video a like, subscribe if you haven't already. Feel free to share the video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.